Savor the Flavor, Understanding, Savory and Delicious. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of food descriptions, particularly focusing on the phrases savory and delicious. These terms are often used to describe food, but they have distinct meanings that can really help you express your culinary experiences more accurately. Let's embark on this delicious journey together and explore what makes food not just good, but savory and delicious. When we describe food as savory, we're talking about a taste that is pleasingly salty or spicy rather than sweet. Savory dishes often include meats, vegetables, herbs, and spices that create a rich, mouth-watering flavor. It's the taste you find in a perfectly seasoned roast chicken, a slice of pizza with all your favorite toppings, or a bowl of spicy stew. Savory foods are appetizing and fulfilling, making you want to take another bite. Key points: savory, pleasingly salty or spicy, not sweet. Examples: roast chicken, pizza, spicy stew. Characteristics: appetizing, fulfilling. Moving on to delicious, this term is much broader. It signifies that food is extremely pleasant to taste. Delicious is a universal descriptor that can apply to any type of food, regardless of whether it's savory, sweet, bitter, or sour. A slice of cake can be delicious, just as a savory pie can be. When you say something is delicious, you're giving it a high compliment, indicating that it brings great pleasure to your taste buds. Key points: delicious, extremely pleasant to taste. Applies to any type of food. Implication: high compliment, great pleasure. When we combine these terms, describing food as savory and delicious, we're highlighting a dish that not only has the rich, complex flavors associated with savory foods but is also exceptionally pleasing to the palate. This combination is often used for dishes that excel in flavor, providing a satisfying and enjoyable eating experience. It's a powerful way to express the high quality and appeal of a meal. Key points: combination highlights both rich, complex flavors and exceptional taste. Used for dishes that excel in flavor. Effect: expresses high quality and appeal. We hope this exploration of savory and delicious has enriched your understanding and vocabulary when it comes to describing food. These terms are more than just adjectives. They're an invitation to explore and appreciate the wide world of flavors that food has to offer. Remember, whether you're savoring a savory snack or indulging in a delicious dessert, the joy of eating comes from the variety and richness of tastes. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more insights in our next video. Happy eating and happy learning!